Hello black boxers, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you gold on the daily time frame. Okay, you will see gold on the daily time frame. On the previous video I have showed you gold on the weekly time frame. I have a video from the 6 months to the 3 months, then the monthly, then the weekly, then this one is for the daily. Okay, so every single video of it involves the black box. Okay, we'll be trading gold using the black box, and I have showed you over and over again that the black box is the one that is giving profits. It is giving profits like crazy, so we'll be moving back as long as trading view can allow us, because we are on the free version, so I don't need the paid version, so that's why I am using the free version. The free version is enough. The black box does not need any indicators. The black box does not need any multiple screens. It does not need any 5-minute chart on the left, 4-minute chart on the right, 1-minute chart on the top, daily chart on the bottom. On every time frame, if you find a black box, you're gonna make a profit. You are gonna make, at least you will know the direction. At least you will know what is gonna happen, and you will feel happiness. Okay, what the hell is this? Alright, in 1999 up to zero, as you can see, the chart is like, what the hell is this? Is some kind of mystery drawing, some kind of craziness going on here. Oh my goodness, look at this shit, it's crazy. Look at this shit, it's crazy. I don't know how to show you this. Even the black box is saying, come on man, here, come on man, here, now. Let's just change the settings. So this is 1995. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough for the test. Okay, let's just start from here. It never ends. From 1995 up to the 2024 that we are here, that is almost how much year? 5. We got 10, 15, we got 14, almost 15. That's 30 years of trading. 30 years of trading, bro. So let's just start from here. 30 years of trading, that's crazy on gold. So as always, we'll be looking for 3 consecutive candles. Okay, right there we have something. Okay, as 3 consecutive candles right there. Okay, let's just dim this thing a little bit up. Yeah, real close. Yeah, that's better. That was a nice buy right there, as you can see it. You can buy that shit right there. Boom. The same thing. Follow me right now. Don't look anywhere else, because this the starting video determines the whole thing. Okay, as you can see, sideways movement, 3 or more candles, right? We gotta wait for the 3rd candle to finish and the 4th candle to form. Okay, as you can see what happened here, that thing happened, and after that actually this candle broke right there. Okay, the red candle broke, and then the next candle was the god candle. That was the one that broke everything right here. This was the congestion area, right? So your TP, your first TP is as always the height of the box, the height of the black box, roughly around the height of this candle. Okay, the candle that broke out, and you let the other partial to run until TP3 and more and beyond. As you can see on TP3 is right there by this big god candle, and then went even more to TP4, as you can see it. If you have the gut to hold for more, then you can hold it. by not trailing your stop not too close. Do not trail your stop not too close. If your stop was, let me put it, stop was down here before this thing was broke out. After this thing broke out, your stop would be, you wait for that TP1 to be hit. After TP1 has been hit, you trail it halfway, like that. Then after taking partials, after TP1 has been hit, take partials of trail your stop around there, and then let the other partials to run, okay? Then after this thing has moved to TP3, then what you gotta do is trail it halfway, right there, just like this. You trail it just like that one, and then this thing support and moved away, right? Once that thing happened, you trail it halfway, right there. Stop loss, right? If you are trading, I don't care if you are trading on the 4 hours, I don't care if you are trading on the 2 hours, this exact same thing will happen there. This exact same thing will happen in the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, everywhere it is there. It is there. You'll thank me later. As you can see, and then you trail not too close. Don't be so greedy and trail it like this, like this. Come on, man, come on, man. No, stop it. Alright? Trail it far, far away. You're already out. You partial is already out. You are in profit. What's the point of being greedy here? In long term, we gotta wait for long term profits, okay? Short term success are not good. Short term gratifications, they do not last. They do not last, okay? They are like flashy things. They disappear quick like a snap. We don't want that. We want long-term happiness. As you can see, long-term profits give you a lot of money. As you can see, this thing really went up, so you gotta trail it halfway, right there. And then this thing could get you out of the trade right there. Or if you were not greedy, then you have more profits to go. And then once that thing moves up, trail it that way. That thing peak at the peak, trail it up just like there, and then this thing will surely get you out. It doesn't even care if you trailed it too close or not. You'll get out since it came to the starting point. Okay, that is a first trade right there. Okay, first trade. Next, what did we get? What did we got? We got 1 and 2 and 3. That is the whole thing right there. That's the holy grail right there. Then 3 candles, right? So you wait for the third candle to break that thing. Then that thing broke out. Then you sell that thing, right? After the third candle have been formed and it is trading. So as you can see, this thing traded down below. So that's where you sell right there. Retested again. So what you're gonna do is you do not touch anything. There's nothing to touch here. Nothing to touch here. So mostly waiting for the 3 candles to form and for the 4th candle to appear has a huge value. Okay, it has a huge value. I have a reason that I included the 3 candles. I set the rules on the 3 candles. If it were only 2 candles, a couple of candles, then that rally will not last. Okay, that will not last. We want a huge compression. We want a lot of candles trading sideways so that the trend will last more and more. Okay, if it is only 2 candles, then what's gonna happen is it will break out, and then after hitting something, after going a little bit 10 pips or 50 pips, then it will retrace to your stop loss. So we don't want that. So all we want is a lot of congestions. We want a lot of compressions. After that, we will be entering at the rebound, at the breakout. Okay, because that consolidation has to break out, right? So that's where we will be ready to participate, right? So 3 candles, they are very tricky. The third candle will trade up and down, up and down, up and down. So it is better to wait for the fourth candle to form inside the black box. Okay, I will only show you the 3 candles to differentiate the other patterns, the other models of the black box. Like we got 4 models, right? You already know that shit. You already know the black boxers know that we have 4 models. So we use these 3 candles for the 4 models. What if the price breaks above this thing? Let me use this pattern, this line. What if this breaks above, like this one, breaks above? What we gonna do is we buy. No questions asked, we will be buying. The center is where? The center is right there. That's the center. 3 candles, right? 3 candles form. So we got a valid black box right there. Once that thing breaks up, we'll be buying, right? Hoping that that thing will move up and up and counting this thing as a fake breakout or the third model. Okay. So that is why we use 3 candles. We cover 3 candles. It is not to trade them. Do not trade them. They they are very tricky. Okay, they do not trade them. Wait for the fourth or the fifth candle to break out. Okay, like this one. Like this one, we got 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one broke, you buy. The fifth one and again broke, you buy. Okay, not the third one. Do not enter on the third one. That will be not good. That's not good. That's the thing right there. So right here we got nothing, as you can see. This is trending. It closed there and opened up there, as you can see. A huge gap right there, forming a gap. So another valid black box is around here, as you can see it. And what happened? Sold. Shells. I think that's a daily candle. No joke about it. That is huge. That is huge. That gapped up, closed there, and finally traced up. That's why I tell you this is the third model right there. Once this thing breaks above, you buy that thing. So once this thing broke above, you buy that thing, supported, and then moved to your TP right there. Okay, you can measure your TP just like this. Put it up there. So you can see TP right there, up there. Okay. At this instance, I don't think it was it. A little poke. What you gotta do is you gotta trail your stop up. Trail your stop up. This is a gap up, so it's crazy. It's crazy. Do not ever get involved like this. The price actions like this. Okay, I am testing the black box on every market condition there is, on everywhere, even on the prices that gap up like this. It's crazy. Even on the binary option, you have seen me trade on there, and I proved it over and over again. Right there, trading it. I've used this on commodities, forexes, and on cryptos too. On all the markets, I did the test. It is very durable. It is very durable. As you can see, sell, then buy right there. Okay, sell, then buy. Let me be fast right there. So okay, yeah. And once you are in profit, trade your stop. Trade your stop up. The only thing that could happen that will make it worse is the support rise, just like this one. The supporters will get you out of the trade. So what you gotta do is just place your stop loss where exactly at your entry, right there. As your entry, exactly at your entry. Mostly the prices do not touch that box. The second model, the break and retest, does not happen a lot. Like the fourth model, the double fake outs. Okay, it is rare. It is rare. If it happens, it pulls back and it does not support this black box most of the time. So we don't have to uh, uh, we don't have to give our money easily by just putting our stop loss down here and letting the market come and to stop us out. Okay, what we gotta do is once we are in profit, we take partials, we take the necessary risks, risk management. And as you can see, buy that shit. TP never hit, don't touch anything. So you can support it and went to your TP hit. What you gotta do now is the same thing, okay? Partials off right there and then stop loss up there. Okay, don't touch that stop loss. And then this thing went up, so finally collapsed and it will surely hit your stop loss right there. Since this is a daily time frame, so what you gotta do is you can time to time you can take partials off. Okay, you can take partials off. When you see these kinds of things, go to the higher time frames like the weekly. Okay, these are not good. These are not. They do not show any black box at all. Only here you got a break, you sell that thing. Okay, you sell that thing and the same thing applies. The same thing applies. And what did we have here? We had something here. But what happened here is this thing traded, it didn't trade up. It started low, so we don't count that thing as a black box. So what happened here is, let me zoom in. This is not a black box at all. So you can see this thing traded down. Let's use our Fibonacci and let us see if this thing traded at 50%. Look at that. It's great. Look at that 50%. It touched that thing and went up. Right? 50% touched that thing and went up. So touching that 50% or going all the way below it counts as the black box. That is a valid black box, which means the fourth candle which breaks out will be our buying opportunity or our selling opportunity if it breaks the downside. So this thing can count as the black box right here, including the whole thing. As you can see, this thing, okay, this thing is the black box. We consider sideways price trading. Okay, sideways price trading is the black box, just like this one. This is nice. This is nice. So in this case, what you're gonna do is you connect everything like this one. You connect everything like this one, okay? Or when you see this thing, go to the higher time frames and it will make it clear. As you can see, buy this thing and buy this thing. The same thing applies. Stop, 50% out at halfway. At the first TP, partials out. Partial profit out. Stop loss up there. And let the other run. Don't touch anything. Once this thing smashed the upside, halfway. Once this thing smashed the upside, halfway. Don't touch that thing. And finally, you will be out of the trade. You will be out of the trade. The same thing here. The same thing here. As you can see. What happened here? It broke the upside. It broke the upside. And then you buy that thing. Okay. You buy it. As you can see, there was a little poke. There was a little poke right there. Right there. There was a little poke. Okay, that's the daily candle. So in this case, what we're gonna do is I told you that we got rules. We got 8 or how much was that? Yeah, it is less than 8. 6, 7, 8 rules, okay, that you gotta follow. I'll make a separate video on that rules. Then you will definitely know what to expect and what's going on. You will differentiate on what to trade and what to not trade. So in this case, this is a little poke. This is not a breakout at all. As you can see, if you do is like this, you could sell this thing right there. Okay, you could sell this thing. This is a gap up, it closed up there and it opened down here. It is a gap up. In the real market, these kinds of things happen less frequently. As you can see, there is almost no gap up in 2024 or in 2016 or recently. In recent years, everything has evolved and there is no gap up, and sometimes gap ups happen and the market immediately rebalances it. So this is a huge gap up. If you connect everything, you gotta wait. You gotta wait for the real move. As you can see, little poke and almost immediately gapped up to the upside. As you can see, opened little poke and traded up into the black box right there. As you can see, in this case, where do you buy? Right above there, right above the huge move. After the huge move, you buy that thing again. Okay, so one of the rules is wait. Patience, bro. Patience. We need patience. We do not enter a trade when we see a little poke. We do not be in a hurry. Okay, we will have patience in executions, and while we are in trading also, we will wait for that particular thing to happen. Okay, we will wait for that thing to happen. So that thing, that if we had patience, we could have saved some money right there. Okay, that is a huge trick right there. So here we got 3, so you connect this thing right there, just like this, and then this thing didn't do anything, then this thing collapsed right there, then you sell that thing right there, then we got a retest, boom, smashed your TP right there, your TP smashed, then this thing moved up again. So I told you to never, the second rule is to never enter more than 2 times on one setup. Okay, on one setup. The black box has its own specific rules, so you gotta know that. I saw these rules on the markets while I backtested on most of the markets, like I told you, on the binary options, on the forex, on the commodities, on the cryptos, on all the markets I did this thing, and they all told me some, they all need some adjustments. Okay, so you make that those adjustments. I have compressed those things, that what you gotta do, into 5 or 6 simple rules, and those are the ones that you need to follow, nothing more. Like the risk management, like the stop loss placement, like trailing stop loss, like partial staking where at TP1 and letting the other run, and those rules, they play a big role. Okay, they have a big role. As you can see, finally broke out right there, finally broke out. When you see these kinds of big gaps, just abandon that, delay that thing, and do not get involved. When you see this kinds of gap, we don't want that. We want compression like this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. The other rule is that one. Okay, remember, have notebook and write it down. Write it down. When you see that gap up, even if we had a nice black box right there, but the other were not fulfilled. Okay, so we abandon that. We will abandon it. Okay, we will abandon it. As you can see, this was beautiful. This was beautiful. As there, what you gotta do is wait for the breakout. The breakout, sell that thing. Sell that thing. Stop loss down here. Okay, don't touch anything. This is a gap up, so it gapped up and opened. So opened down here, broke, breaking the consolidation. Okay, This is the black box. As you can see, this thing ended up being the third model. You already know what the third model is. If you don't, then let me show you every model here. And please don't ask me again. Let me show you every model here. This is the first model. Okay. I'm sorry. No, this one. Not this one. This one. This is the first model. There is a sound. Let me decrease the sound. As you can see, this is the first model. Look, there is no retest. There is nothing right here. As you can see it. Okay, let me. All right. Where was it? Yeah. Let's move it. So as you can see, there is no retest. There is no nothing. As you can see. Okay, we can see it. It is just straight below past up to it breaks the consolidation. As you can see, the black box broke on the downside or the upside depending on the direction of the breakout. And that is the first model, the real breakout. The second model is this one. Let me bring it up there. As you can see, that is the second model. As you can see, break and retest. As you broke, supported, boom. Okay, let me decrease the sound a little bit so your ear will not burst up. As you can see, we were in consolidation, support, and boom. Then the downside consolidation, break, support, and then boom to the downside. So that is the second model. And the third model is this one. Okay, write it on your notebooks, please, black boxers, please, I beg you. As you can see, this is the third model. Broke the downside just like this one. Nice example. Broke the downside and finally delivered it to the upside. Okay, then to the upside. Let me decrease it. Break the downside, then to the upside. When we are bullish, when we are bearish, break to the upside first, then to the downside. Okay, that is the third model. Write it on your notebook. Draw it. Then the fourth model is this one. Let me show you. Enlarge this thing. So the fourth model is essentially the third model but double. The fourth model is essentially the third model but double. The fake out is double. As you can see, broke the upside, then the downside, then real move is to the upside. When we are bullish, the breakout will happen first to the upside, showing you that we are bullish. Everything that comes down is just a support. It's just a support. So that thing breaks to the downside, sweeps the lows. Okay, sweeps the lows, takes out of the stop losses the people who are buying the downside, and then they are the only one who will be buying, the sharks. They did this. The manipulation all is planned. It happens every day, every single day, and they made it this way. They want lower prices so they can make a profit. Okay, they can make a profit, right? So this is what the fourth model. So when we are bearish, what happens is we break to the downside because we are showing that we are bearish. Then it breaks to the upside and finally drops to the downside. Okay, that is the fourth model and the third and the second and the all the models that you want to see. So this is what happened here essentially. Okay? I hope you have wrote that thing down, otherwise you will be what the hell is he talking about? You'll be confused. Either sell them buy the same thing, then another black box. Put it up there, boom. Then this is the first model. As you know, this is a real breakout. Another black box up there. What happened here? A real breakout. Boom. Nothing. Right there we got something. Let me use a marker so we can be fast. Okay, we are still in 1995 in the dinosaur time, so we're not gonna finish this thing if we are using a box. As you can see, what happened here, there's a huge consolidation by itself. So the first thing that happened is a buy. So you buy that thing. Then what happened? A sale. I told you to enter 2 times in one setup. This is a single setup. That is the third rule. Okay, the third rule. If you are following me, you will know what I'm talking about. The black boxers know this thing. You are too, so you will know this thing too if you watch my videos. Has this thing up, buy that thing again. So look at this thing. It's crazy. Look at this wick. It's like a wire. It's like a wire. And then this thing sold. You sell that thing again. Okay. Go with the flow. Another black box here. Nothing changed. Sell that thing again. Okay. Then this thing consolidate around you. Okay. This is the same thing. Another black box. Buy. Then supported again and buy again that thing. Okay. Buy it right up there. Then finally came back to your stop loss. Okay. It never hit your stop loss but supported. Your stop loss is right down there. I told you that your stop loss is down there. I mean, you are selling right up there. You are buying down there. You are buying down there. You are buying down there. Okay. That's right. That's what is going on here. Supported and then no panicking at all. No panicking at all. We had a live stream on YouTube today, and it was not on my channel, but funded on the funded account they were streaming, and I told them that do not panic, bro. Euro dollar was pulling back. I was sure that it is gonna shoot to the upside, and I have already put my predetermined levels using the fib. TP3 is gonna be hit, bro. Just wait, don't panic, don't sweat. And the man was, oh come on, man. I wish I was not in this trade. I wish I was not in this trade. What the hell is he talking about? I was like, you have already determined your risk appetite, right? You entered with the money you can afford to lose, alright? Nobody forced you to enter 100 lots. It is you who has to determine what your risk appetite is. Okay, 100 lots is for 1 million for an account which is $1 million or $500,000 in their accounts, not for a 10K account. Alright, 100 lots does not work for a 10K account. So you gotta trade with your risk appetite, so you will be less sweaty. You will be less worried when the trade goes against you. So you will be immune to any movements because you have already predetermined your strategy. You have backtested your strategy. You know that the strategy is solid, and you have a sound risk management. What the hell is going on with you? Why are you shaking? So after 1 hour or something, then euro dollar retraced to his TP, and he was like, oh man, I wish I had added another position. What? Come on, man, that's enough. That's enough. Now you are laughing. Before you are gonna cry. The man is like, come on, man, my TP is not on the right place, and he was moving to the upside. Don't touch that thing, bro. Don't touch that thing. Just take partials and trail your stop up, and don't touch that thing. Just go run anywhere you want, go somewhere, okay? Don't touch that thing. And after some 40 minutes or something, euro dollar launched like a rocket. It was crazy, bro. It was crazy, bro. That thing started trading, that thing started launching up from the daily black box. Right, I was pretty sure that it is gonna shoot up to the upside. So it went past my TP3 and went to TP4 and broke everything to the upside and went up. And when I checked it now, it was making a wick, it was retracing because it already hit the TP. Okay, that's why I tell you to trail your stop and mitigate your risks. Okay, that is a completely unrelated thing, but what did you do? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my goodness. I brought myself back. So that are the setups right there. We'll jump this thing. This is a valley. This is a valley. We don't want that shit. There's nothing for us here. Let's go there. Let's jump it. Let's pump it. This video is gonna be 1 hour or more than 2 hours. So strap your seats and let's get ready. Let's pump it, okay? No talking. So as there was a sale, as there was a sale, was a buy, there was a sale, right? The whole thing, right? The whole thing. This thing is half. This thing is half is down below, not up there. So don't count this thing as a buying opportunity. Okay, we only count this. Yep. This was a nice buy right there. There was a buy. Finally ended up being the third model, a single fake out right there. A single fake out right there. In this case, you can trail your stop or just accept the loss. Accept the loss, right? Just accept the loss. You have already determined your risk. You have already entered with a small amount. So if it hits your stop loss, you don't care. You don't care because you are in the market with the money you want. You can afford, right? Can afford to lose. So it was not a borrowed money or something. Then after that you sell that thing, then your money is back and again doubled your money. Another sale, another buy. Nope, that was no good. As there was a sale, as there was a buy. I'm sorry. And then we had a sale right there, okay? And that thing traded up. Yeah, that is a good buy. Let's come back to 1996. I'm sorry. I wanted really bad to reach to 2020 or something. As well as a buy, as there was a buy, this was a buy too, and nothing here. This was a sell, this was a sell. I considered this a sell because the space was negligible and this thing traded up with a wick, so that makes it a black box. Okay, that makes it a black. So we had a buy. I'm sorry, there was a buy, and then it ended up being the third model. It says that thing. Okay, and buy and sell and buy, and there was a buy, then a sell, and there a sell. This thing a buy supported, then went to the direction, buy that thing, sell, third model, sell, that is the first model, real breakout, sell the first model, real breakout, sell the first model, real breakout. Okay, pump it up, black boxers in the house. As there was a buy, the same thing buy, and there was a buy. Oh my goodness, huge gap up right there. So crazy, bro. So crazy. The old days. Sell. You sell that thing as there was a buy, even if it was minute. Buy that thing, and this was some kind of go to the higher time frames. When you see this, go to the higher time frames. Okay, as you can see, this ended up being a sell. Then what happened here? Nothing there. Exactly right there was a sell. So we are specific in our entries and execution. That thing traded halfway, that's good. That's a buy. That's a sell, sell, buy, sell. There was a sell, and then there was a buy. Support, second model, boom. This is first model, sell. This is support, second model, boom. This is a sell. This is a sell, first model, okay? Real breakout. This was a buy, as you can see it, okay? Oh my goodness. We came to the gap up, so we'll jump that shit real quick. Sell that thing. Nothing's there. Nothing's there, okay? Jump, 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 jump jump this thing like you never seen this thing, okay? Like you have never seen this thing. Come on, what the hell is this? That's crazy. As there was a buy, we got a buy, and then this sell ended up being a buy. You think that you are laughing right now because these are so minute that you cannot even see this. When you zoom in, you will see the real deal. You will see the real deal. That's huge. That's very huge, as you can see. But first, you thought that it is very small. So I think that's the second model break in the retest. As there was a buy. Let's come back here. Come on, come on. Yeah, there was a buy. I was right, as you can see. And that is a sell. And ended up being the third model. You buy that thing again. Alright? You got it, right? You got it. So simple. So simple. As there was a sell. Boom. And that's so crazy. Just throw that thing out. Let's zoom out a little bit so we can see what's going on. We don't want it to be too close. Buy and then sell that thing, okay? Alright, here we have a buy and there is nothing here. Yes, this whole thing is a buy. Nothing is here. Yes, this whole thing is a buy. And the gold started to be volatile around here. Starting to be volatile around here, as you can see. And then look at this craziness. Sales and retest the second model, okay? And sell that thing. This thing was a buy and then ended up being a sell. You can sell that thing again. And buy. And right there, nothing. There's nothing. Go fast, go fast. We are in 2000. Whoa. That's crazy fast, bro. It's crazy fast. What? I selected the eraser. Sell that thing a little and then buy it using the third model. We had a sell right there, okay? This whole thing is a sell right there, okay? This was a lot of choppiness. It was so crazy. As you can see, this was a buy and sell that thing again. This go to the higher time frames and buy it. This buy this shit right there. Buy. Right there, buy. Right there, there was a buy. Finally sold. And almost immediately came back to your stop loss and got you out. Your stop loss down here actually, but it got you out of the trade. Sell it. Right there was a buy, a huge buy, and then here a buy. Right? Okay, here is a sell. Here is a sell. Come back here, buy, support, boom, and then this is a huge buy right there, as you can see. Come back here, and this thing, as you can see, the whole thing is a buy, and I ended up in the third model, sell it, using the second model, break and retest, sell that thing again. Buy, sell, buy. This is a buy also. This is just a second model, break and retest. Well, let me zoom in so you can see it. This is the first black box right here, okay? and then this thing supported. So it does make sense to buy this thing, right? It does make sense. Buy, sell it, buy it, buy it. This thing is crazy as hell, as you can see. Buy, of course, buy, right there, and then sell this thing. Finally came back up. Your stop up there, and then you are already in profit around there. Retraced up to your stop loss and smashed. This is a sell, buy, holding, and this holding. Sell went to your TP, and then we got another sell here also. A buy. We had a buy right there, and there was a sell right there. There was a buy right there up. There was a sell and then buy. As you can see, the third model crazy. It moves like crazy, as you can see. This thing went up and down, as you can see it. This thing actually extends to the upside, okay? But on most, when the wicks are long, the other rule is that you gotta write when the wicks are, this is actually not long. This wick is not long. This is long. This wick is long, but not this one. So what you gotta do is connect everything. Connect everything. As you can see, this thing didn't move above, so not broken. Theoretically, technically, that is not broken. So which means we wait for the other break. This is long, so you connect on only these things. So this thing broke, sell. This buy, this sell. Okay, that is what you gotta put on your notebook. Don't just watch. Write. Buy and sell. As there was a buy, even if it was small then supported, and boom, smashes your TP. Buy, and then let's go to 2001, 2. When you see this one, go to the hard time frames, nothing here. But here is sell, here was a buy, here nothing. Yeah, there was a buy right there. As you can see, 3 candles. And here do we have sells and a buy, but generally you wait for the fourth candle to break, right? So what you gotta do is you wait for this thing to break, you buy that thing. Then if you want, you can sell it right there. Then buy this thing again. Buy right there. I mean sell, I'm sorry, sell first, then buy it. Support, boom. And this huge black box by itself. Sell that thing right there. And this thing traded up, so this is holding. We don't like that space, but this thing right there, we are specific. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3 right there, okay? So you can connect the whole thing. Then this thing supported that thing right here, okay? So move that. I say goodbye. Goodbye, the whole thing. And then this is another buy right there, okay? Buy and sell this thing. And right there was patience comes in around here. Buy that thing. Right there, buy. Right there, buy. When you see this kinds of go to the higher time frame. These kinds of choppy price actions, they are not good. They are not good. Buy, supported. This is very choppy, as you can see. This is buy, Right there was a sell, we got a sell, we got a sell, we got a buy, we got a buy, a holding, buy, buy. Okay, we'll go to 2003 and nothing here, nothing. 1, 2, 3. Yes, a holding, nothing. I'll go to the higher time frames. When you see this is crazy. So you can see it. You could double that and then sold it again. Add it to the downside, right? There is this thing moved to the downside. Buy this thing again, sell it, sell. Then this thing is a buy up there, and then this thing is buy. This thing right there also buy. This is a sell, another sell, nothing there. This is a sell, buy. Then there was a sell, then buy. Using the third model, buy. Using the first model, breakout. The whole thing is a buy using the first model. Okay, right there, yes, at the peak there was a sell, and then the whole thing, this whole thing, don't touch anything, and then this was a buy, right? Long wicks, never covered, as you can see by that. As there was a buy, ended up being a sell, and this is a huge price action. No one wants this. The other rule is to never trade these kinds of blocks. Don't trade these kinds of blocks. This is a huge block. We don't want that. That's not the black box at all. That's not the black box. Right there is a black box. Right there is not. Why? That thing didn't trade halfway. It traded up by itself. So not trade right there. I mean no black box. Okay? We are selective. So the fourth rule is never select huge blocks, huge peeps of movement. That's not what the black box is about. Black box is about short-term contractions, congestions in a small area, just like this one. Okay, then boom, smashed it. As there is a small area, I traded up sell. As there is, as you can see, the whole thing is a buy congestion. As there buy congestion. That is compression right there. As you can, this is a good example. So once you buy that thing, support, another congestion, buy that thing again. Okay, it makes it different. The black box is different from the other breakout trading methods. It's very different. As you buy that thing, right there, and buy, as there buy, and the whole thing go to the higher time frame. It will make it clearer there. The higher time frames will make it clearer for you. Okay. This thing is starts here, the black box starts around there, not down here. So you buy that thing right here above support, then boom, went to your TP. If you missed that, buy that thing. Then you can, someone could sell that thing because of the third model. Because of the third model. Someone could say, come on, this is a bull flag. Yeah, bull flag. Bull flag, yeah. This time the bull flag worked, but on the others it does not. Or most of the time it does not. So no one wants that bull flag. Sell, buy, sell, then buy. Right there. The sale starts right there, then buy. The whole thing sell, and then here we got a buy. This thing came back, someone could sell that thing, and then never enter again. Do not enter again on this trade. Just go about your business. Don't touch it. Or find another currency. So you can see there was a buy. It's a daily candle, okay, no joke about it. It seems small, but it's huge. Sell that thing, then buy it. Then buy the fourth candle broke out. And here there was a buy and finally ended up in the third more sell. Then do not enter again. Wait for the other black box to form. Riser format, buy. Riser sell. This is not a huge block. A huge block is like this. I selected this as a black box because this is not a huge block. Differentiate between what is a huge block and what is not. Huge blocks, you just know what a huge block is. They do not have wicks. They are very long and they stack up each other on each other. Okay, just like this one. This is a huge. This is very huge right there. But this one is a black box. The third one broke, so resisted, supported, and boom. And this is nice black box compression. Sell that thing using the third model single fake out. You buy that thing. Then buy using the second model support. Boom. Smashed to the upside. Buy that thing again. Okay. You got it. You got it. You already got it. You are so smart, right? You buy that thing. Sell that thing. And sell that thing right there. There also there was a sell and then buy it using the third model. Then buy that thing again. Let us go to 2006. Oh, thank God we are finishing this thing. Thank God we are finished. Sell that thing. Buy it. Okay. There was a buy. It's not a huge block. It's small. There a buy when compared to the previous ones. Buy another one. That's just a huge. I said buy. There, what do we have? We had a sell off and then bought again. Buy that thing. Sell that thing. Buy that thing. Okay, this is what a huge block means. So no one selects this. No one selects that zone. That's not the black box. We run like hell. That is huge. That red candle. Come on. That's not good. That's not good. That is not good. Okay. So just jump up. Let it slide. And then right there was a buy. Let me zoom in. As you can see, when you come in this thing, a buy, little buy, and then sold off like crazy. The whole thing is a buy, as you can see it. Then a sell is small blocks. This is a sell. I know it seems easy on the hindsight. I know. But I'm showing you every black box there is. I'm not selecting. I'm not cherry picking. This is sell. This is sell. I'm not cherry picking. Buy again. This is sell. This is a buy. Okay, there was a buy here also. Same thing. What did we have here? We had a buy. We sold it. Then we do not buy again. Why? Because we enter 2 times. No matter how amazing it looks, we do not enter the third time. We enter only 2 times. Buy, boom, stop loss up there, then this will smash, then sell that. Then went to more than 3R or I don't know 2.5R risk to reward. Okay, so that's amazing. Sell, then buy it again. Then don't ever sell that thing. Wait for the other black box to form. Buy that thing. There a buy. And right there was a sell off. Huge sell off. Gold is crazy on the daily time frame, as you can see it. So this is a huge block by itself, as you can see. So this is a bound. This is a bound. So you sell that thing as you buy, then you buy. You come here and you buy this thing supported, and then there is no black box here. You go to this item once went up, finally smashed the downside, a little bit profit to the upside, as you can see, and I smashed and went to your direction. So trailing your stop has a huge value in here. Sell that thing and finally buy it. 2 times, only 2 times. You enter 2 times. Why? Because that setup's effectiveness will end after it has been executed 2 times. Okay, that black box will be forgotten. It will be forgotten. We are not using supply and demand. We are not trading supply and demand. We do not remember about the previous black boxes. Okay, we don't care about them. What we care is what is going on now. And she sells that thing. This thing went up, you buy it again. Okay, then it went a little bit up, and then it smashed the downside. Okay, so a little bit profit. If you can trail it. You can trail it. Your stop. If you don't, then your stop loss will be hit. You are already in profit here down here. Okay, so no worries at all. You can see the same thing here. There we had the black box, sold it right there, support resisting, and then came back up to your stop loss. So what happened here is really amazing. As you can see, when we use the box, you can see that this is it. You can see that this is it. Broke, sold right there. As you can see, sold up to their stop loss will be up there. Okay, and this thing will smash out of the trade. And then this thing happened, and as you can see it, whole thing. Little poke, no one wants that. A huge big move, everyone wants that. Jump in, sell, and then we got it by rising. We had a sell. Let's jump to the next scenario. Where are we in 2007? Alright, we're getting close. Had a buy. Right there was a buy, right there was on the time frame, sell, support, and then sell again. Buy it again, buy it again, buy it again, buy this thing also. Come on, what the hell is going on? This thing is getting numb. It's numbing. Buy that thing, this thing broke, sell that thing again. Okay. Then this is what this is interesting. This is the force model as you can see. We bought, we were in profit, came back again, we sold, we were in profit, and then came back again. This is a force model. Okay. You already know what the force model is. I told you that when the force model happens, if we are bullish, it will break to the upside first. This is what happened right here. So it broke the upside right there, and then broke the downside. This is just a support, then went up to this direction. So buy that thing, and then come back here. This by itself is crazy. Come on, man, what the hell is this? So you buy that thing. Where exactly? Right there. Alright, little bit profit, then support, and then went to your directions. Stop loss is down here as always. Down there. Support, then boom, went up. Then another buy. another sell. There was a sell and then buy the third model. There was a buy, there was a buy, beautiful. There was a sell, then a buy, the third model. There was a buy. This is big blocks. Buy that thing and then sell that thing again. Okay. Let's go to the 2008. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Maybe there was a buy. And then there was a buy again, supported, boom. Sell, there sell. Then buy and sell it. Okay. Sell that thing and buy that thing. Okay. So you can see the space here is it is terrible. This space is terrible. So that is not great. So you can see it, you can use this as a boundary and you buy that thing. There buy, there was a, yes, it was a buy and then sold off, and then sold. Is there sell? Sell it, sell it, either sell, and this is crazy. Go to the hard time frames for this. This is sell, buy. There nothing. We have a buy. Okay. Let's go to 2009. So you can see there was a sell and then buy. A buy and then a sell. By this thing by itself a sell and then we buy and then we buy. And then by itself was a buy and then sell. Okay. This was a buy and sell. Okay. Let's go to 2010. Nothing there, nothing there. Buy that thing, sell that thing. Nothing there, nope. There was a buy and this was a sell. Support and boom, smashed. And this is a sell. And this is a sell. So you can see this thing, the whole thing is a sell. This thing, the whole thing is a sell. There was not good, not good. Not the black box. Here we got the black box. Buy support. Another buy. We had a buy and then sell that thing. You buy it. You buy it again. Support. Boom. Smashed it as well. Your TP. Buy. Sell that thing. Buy it. Alright. Sell. And support. Boom. Smash your TP. Sell. What the hell is that? That's like smooth as a glass, as you can see. No, it didn't trade at all. What month was that? It was January 1, January 1st. Oh, it must be some kind of holiday or something in 2010. And the buy is the whole thing is a sell. Is on board again. Sell that shit, buy that thing, sell that thing, buy that thing. There was nothing there buy. There not good. Not good. Pass. You say pass. When you don't find the black box, sell and buy. And here we got a buy. And here big blocks. So no one likes these big blocks. It's acting as a resistance like the second model. As you can see, this thing, the whole thing is what? a sell. Yes, buy. Right there, a buy. What about there? It was a buy. What about here? This bullish run. This bullish run, a buy. Right there, a buy. Here, buy. You already know what I am talking about, right? So buy. This thing is sell, sell, buy. This buy, then sell it. Okay, using the third model. This is the whole thing is a buy. This buy, then sell. Alright. Here buy. Here we got a buy. Here we got a buy. Here we have a sell. What about here? Nothing. Here was a sell. Nothing up there. Up there a buy. And then a sell. Okay. So trading stop loss has huge value here. Because as you can see, gold is like trading in a small ranges. Okay, buy that thing, the whole thing go to the higher time frame. When you see this sell, nothing there. I think this is a buy. Yeah, it is a buy. It is a buy, and then we had another buy. Then buy, nothing there. Here was a buy. This is huge block, so I'm sorry, don't consider this. This is huge blocks. No one cares about it. And this is a sell. This was a sell, as you can see it. This again another sell. Okay. Gold never ends. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You wanna kill us? You want to kill us? There was a sell and then a buy again. Right, there was a sell. Retested using the second model, then boom, smash the downside like crazy. It's crazy. There was a buy. Okay, yawning. There was a buy. Another buy. Alright, do you see anything around here? Do you see anything? Yes, there was a buy. Anything, any other. There we had a sell, then buy. What about there? Nope, that's not great. Any other place? Right there. Any other place? That's a sell. This is a sell. Then what? Then a buy. Right? Right? Do you see any other black box here? Yes, it's a buy. Right there? Yes, right there. A little poke. No one cares about that. Buy. The third rule. Don't forget that. The third rule. Have patience. Have freaking patience. Sell that thing. Buy. 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 Alright. In this case, what happened is this thing dropped down. In this case, we could potentially have lost money if we, because this is a long way, as you can see it. It's not like we need patience or something around here. That's a huge move by itself. This is a daily candle, so that could cost us some money, right? There's no joke about it. So then we would enter a buy, and it is back in no time. It is back. Nothing here. Nothing here, nothing there. Go to the higher time frames. Right there was a buy, then a sell. Right there, sell. Right there, what do we have? A buy, little. Then sold off like crazy, as you can see it. Buy, then sold off like crazy. Nothing there. Buy, and then sell this thing. As you can see right there, this is a wick. We don't want a wick. That is not good. Wicks are not good. We want bodies to trade back down. Back and see buy. And this whole thing is a sell. And go to the higher time frame for this and sell it. Sell it. Oh man, huge dump. They dumped gold like crazy in 2013 in April 12th. So when there was a huge buy, influx of buyers coming in, and then sold. The sell-off started rising, as you can see, and this was just a retest for this big move, and then go to the higher time frames and sell this thing. This was a buy, right? A pretty long video. I'm sorry because I started. That's 30 years of worth of trading. Okay, that's what I'm showing you. It's a buy. It was a buy. Go to the higher time frame. This is a huge consolidation by itself. Then this is a retest. As you can see, this is a sell. Okay, a little poke. We don't want that. We want it to trade up and sell that thing and buy it again using the third model. Now right there was a sell. Right there a buy. Right there a buy. Okay, let's come back to 2014 or something. We got a buy right there. We had a buy and then finally sold. Then here we had a sell-off, because if you connect the whole thing, you will see that this thing didn't trade. So our patience pays off right here. There is the same thing, sell. Go to the higher time frame for this. Sell that. Nope, nope, nope. There is no selling here. What happened here is came down, support and sold right there. Okay, sold it right there. You can sold it, sell it right there. Right there, buy. It's a huge block, but it is because I zoomed in. That's why. Sell, then buy this thing, then buy it. Okay, buy it. Come back here, zoom out, and then find any other black box around. Do you see any black box here? Right there, maybe buy. And then there was surely a sell, and then nothing here. Nothing around there. Go to the higher time frames for this, because the black box in this daily time frame has no thing to tell you. Then sold it, supported, then sold. Huge sell off. Buy again. Gold recovered again. Nothing huge space around there. We don't want that. When you see this, go to the higher time frames. Nothing here. Then buy, sell it. This is not good. That's not the black box at all. We want equal, almost equal parts like this. Buy, which shows you that there is a huge compression, a huge trading inside that range. Sell, and then we had a buy and then sold off. Okay, and then sell. Then we buy one more time and no entry again. We will not enter again. And then here there was no trade, so you go to the higher time frames or just wait, or just wait for breakout. Once this thing is connects everything. So when you see this, just don't get involved in this thing because nothing there, nothing. Okay, only rise here up there, so you can't trade that one. Nothing up there. Rise there was a sell, buy. Here a sell, then buy it. Then around in 2015, we had a buy, then a sell of rise here. Started up there, sold, and then as there is also a sell, and then this thing sold, then bought again. Let's come back, zoom out a little bit. So use our markers, sell that thing, maybe buy it again up there. And this thing comes up again. That's a little profit, not much. Buy, sell, there was a buy up there, and sold, and then a buy, and then we got a sell right there. And another black box formed. Go to the higher time frames for that. This by itself is a huge black box, okay? So you cannot find anything in this daily time frame. Go to the weekly time frame. Right there, buy. There was a sell. There was a sell. Right there. TP hit, smash upside again. And then this thing came back up again. Okay, then sold right there. You sell that thing. All right there on the fourth candle. Sell it. Sell it. Right there. Sell it. Retest. Boom. Let's go to 2016. We are finishing up, guys, so don't get lazy. As I said, and this backtest is help you a lot. Okay, you will see what is going on. Buy again, buy. As there was a sell again. As there we had a buy. You will learn a lot of things just by backtesting on the previous historical data, right? You will know what to do. You will know what not to do. As there is a buy, beautiful. It's a huge block by itself, so we gotta do is just connect the whole thing and sell that thing. Then came back up, you can buy it again. Buy, sell, the whole thing right around here is a buy, sell, and sell it, buy it. This is a week, so that's not good. We would appreciate it if it was a body. The bodies are traded down. Nothing around there. Go to the higher time frames for this, buy it. Go to the higher time frames and buy it. Sell, 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 sell it, buy it again. Buy, and then nothing else. Okay, what? This is not a buy. This is not the black box. I'm sorry. I'm just getting tired, so that's why I'm trying to finish fast. That was not a buy. Can anybody tell me why that was not the black box? You already know what it is. You already know what it is, right? So buy that thing. As there was a black box. Buy support. Boom. Boom. What do we have here? We had a sell-off. Buy support. Boom. Smash upside. Or when you see this, go to the higher time frame. Just do yourself a favor and go to the higher time frame weekly. You will see some 3 or 4 candles for this one, and you will see a breakout, and that's where you will take action. Sell, because this thing will confuse you and make you do what you don't want to do. right? Because it will be confusing. What the hell is this second? This is the second model. This is the first model. This is the first model. What the hell is? So I have to buy now, or do I have to sell now? You will be confused like hell, and you will be paralyzed. So even worse, you will enter in the wrong direction, and you will end up losing money, and you will blame the black box that black box is the one that made me lose money. There are a lot of factors that will make you lose money, not the strategy. It's not only the strategy. This is a black box, and there is a buy. Okay, now trade. This is good. Sell it, buy it, sell it, then buy it. Support, then sell it, then buy it again. Buy, then sell. Sell, I think. And look what happened, buy. Look what happened, sell. Go to the higher time frames for this, it is crazy. Sell it, sell, buy it. There, the whole thing is a buy. There was a sell, then buy. And then here was a gap, and this is a black box. That's why we retested. That is the second model right there in play. So you sell that thing, don't touch that thing. Right there is where you sell it. Right there, then you sell that thing. Buy it. Nothing up there. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell it. Sell. Buy, then sell it. Okay. Let's be real quick. Let's go real quick. Real quick. So in that case, what you're gonna do is go to the higher time. Go to the weekly time frames, right? Just go to the weekly time frame, as you can see. But go to the weekly time frame. This is crazy, as you can see. This is crazy. And sell, sell. That is a sell, sell, sell. As there is a sell. Go to the higher time frames for this. Sell. If it doesn't make sense, go to the higher time frame. It will. I promise you, you will find something. As there was a buy. Sell. And sell, and then sell, then buy it again. There was a sell off, then buy it. There was no sell off here. Everything is just expensive. If you want to be specific, what you gotta do is you'll be selling this thing on it. But if you go to the higher time frames, you will see that this whole thing is just one big black box. So the only time to buy is right there. No selling or no nothing. Then if you don't want the higher time frame, what you gotta do is wait for this kind of setup like this. The setup that makes sense. That's the buy. That's the sell. If it doesn't make sense, and if there is no black box, then consider exploring the higher time frames. If there is nothing on the higher time frames, just switch to the other currencies or something. Sell, buy, sell, buy. We got nothing. We got a buy right there. Nothing here. All crazy. Right there, a buy. Right there, go to the higher time frames. In 2019, as you can see here, when you go to the higher time, you will see there was a sell off and then buy. Look where it went. When you see this, the same thing, go to the higher time frames. This whole thing. And then you divide this thing around there. So you can see a little profit. But you don't want that. You want to be specific. Then consider buying these things. Either be specific. Do not consider this long weeks. Not this one. This is a buy. Then smashed and finally came back. Closed down there. There was a buy. But that was a week, so that is not, we don't want that. Go to the higher time frames for this, there was a buy. Go to the higher time frame for this, there was a sell maybe. Go to the higher time frame for this, as you can see the whole thing is crazy mess. It is a mess, it is a mess. So no one trades on the daily time frames with these scenarios. Crazy swings are coming, so strap your seats. Sell, buy, sell, then buy. Is there nothing around there? There was a buy, and there was a sell, and here there was a sell. This is a huge candle sell right there. Then ended up being a buy. Oh my goodness. They messed it up real good. They messed it up real good. Sell, then buy. Buy, sell. You already know what you gotta do, right? So buy, support, sell it. Nothing is there. Buy the thing, buy it. Buy it again here. 2020 golden year. Okay, all you gotta do is go to the higher time frame for this. If you don't want to do that, just be specific. If you want to trade on the daily, so as you can see, buy. This has nothing, as you can see. There was a gap, even worse, there was a gap, so no one wants that one. No trades. Maybe here there was a sell right there, so you could sell right there, and this thing moved down right there, so are in profit. This is a huge block, no one wants that. And this thing is a sell by itself. Buy, sell it, then buy it, and sell it. Right, there was a buy, then sell it again. What happened here? Buy. Do you see any black box? Any other? Buy. Right there, buy. This is a week, but it was black box. Alright, as you can see it. Trade it up. This whole thing, if you don't want that, just don't include these weeks. Okay. So the weeks they mostly do not happen. So why risk your money on those things that do not happen a lot? So that doesn't make sense, right? So do not include this as a black box, as another black box. Maybe on the hard time frame. Riser sell, either go to the hard time frames. Right there, weeks. As you can see, always weeks involved. 3 candles right there. So sell it. You don't consider that thing as. If you want, you can buy it. Right there was the sell. And here nothing. Here nothing. Here we have a buy. Here we had a buy a little bit. Here we had a sell, support resisted, and finally blew past to the downside. Buy. And some sell right there. Finally went up to the upside using the third model. 2021, I'm coming for you. As you can see, it I was a buy around there, but go to the hard time frame. When you see this, sell that thing. Sell that thing. If they are not stacked up on themselves, then just abandon that setup. Okay, sell that, buy it. This buy, beautiful. This by itself is a buy, beautiful. This is a sell. This is some kind of news or something. And a buy, and finally sell. Then here a little trade, no one trades that. A little poke, no one cares about that. Sell that thing. The second rule, don't forget that. Then another buy right here. This is too crazy. Go to the higher time frame and sell it. Go to the higher time frame for this. It doesn't make sense here. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense here. As you can see, there no trade at all, no black box, no trade. There a buy, and then let me. There was something buy. There what? The little sell, then you sell that thing and it really or stop. First it was a buy, as you can see it. It went and made some kind of a radio antenna or something. And right there was a buy, as you can see it. Okay, buy it. And so you can sell it again once this thing breaks down. Buy that thing again, sell it, sell it, sell it, sell, buy again. Alright, let's go back to 2022. Thank God, thank God, thank God. Thank God we're gonna finish this thing. Go to the half time, go to the weekly time frame. Sell, sell, sell it, sell them, buy another buy right there. Then this by itself was a buy, and finally ended up being a sell. This by itself is a sell and sell. Right there, sell. Okay. 2023, where are you? Please come back here. Please come. Little sell, buy it again. Was a buy, the same thing, buy, support, buy that thing. Right, well, there was crazy, it was crazy. So buy it. Go to the higher time frames. If you want to be specific, buy that thing and sell it again. Right there was almost nothing. There was nothing. Sell, nothing. This thing, no one knows why it didn't break. It didn't break to any direction, so I can't predict where it will go. So in this case, broke the upside, so we are buying. Here we got a sell. Here we had a buy. Here we had a sell. And here we had a buy. I'm sorry. Right. So go to the higher time frame for this. Go to the higher time frame for the weekly. Buy. Nothing here. All crazy and chaotic. Nothing up there. Maybe there a buy. There black box sale. Black boxers getting lazy now. Don't sleep. Buy it. I'm watching you are sleeping. So buy that thing again. Nothing there. Alright, here we had a buy. Okay. some kind of news or something sent it this thing up. Oh my goodness, 2140. We are so close to the highs. Oh, look at this craziness. We are close, as you can see. That is the news. Ooh, some kind of news drove this thing down. And see, there was a sell and there was a buy. The same thing. A buy starts up there. Here, nothing. Here a sell, here a buy. Here a little sell and finally buy. Here a sell, and now we had a buy. I showed you this on my previous video, which titled "Gold is going to the 2200." Okay, as I have told you, gold is going to 2200, as you can see it. So now that is the destination. As you can see, this could be a nice buy opportunity. So that's amazing. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Oh, it is already long, so I don't want to make it very long, even more longer. Look at this. It's kind of fingerprint. It seems like there is some kind of fingerprint, as you can see. We are following the trend and we are entering a buy and a sell using our black box. So crazy. So next time we'll be trading this. I will be seeing gold on the 4-hour time frame, and we will finish it. And comment down below the next currency pair, which currency pair you want for me uh, to place to backtest the black box. Okay, it can be commodities, it can be crypto, whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want. You can select Nasdaq, you can select US 30, you can select France 40, German 40, or whatever you want. Okay, just comment down below and I will surely make a video about it. Then finally we'll be finishing this thing. Okay, as you can see, 142, that's amazing. I assumed that it would take 2 hours or something, but it didn't. So black boxers, peace out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.